Let me ask you something straight. Have you ever sat down to watch a movie and felt like something was almost right with the sound, but it just never pulled you in the way it should? That subtle letdown is exactly what made the Marantz NR1510 feel like the revelation the first time I swapped it into my setup. This is for the person who cares about sound that actually serves your stories, someone who notices when dialogue floats in the mix, when music feels flat, or when explosions and ambience don't feel right together. If you're that kind of listener and viewer, take a moment to check the current price and availability, because gear this capable doesn't always stay steady at a good price. You know it was time to upgrade when your old system started asking you to fill in the gaps mentally. You turn up the TV, you strain for speech clarity, you sigh when a big scene feels hollow. That frustration isn't subtle, it creeps up, and suddenly you're not enjoying movies the way you used to. That's the moment you realize you've outgrown just okay. The first time I powered up the Marantz, the difference wasn't just louder, it was focused. Voices felt anchored, music carried texture, and effects no longer fought each other for space. Everything seemed to have a place. That emotional clarity, where you stop noticing the equipment and just feel the content, is something you don't regret investing in. In everyday use, this receiver adapts to whatever you throw at it. Action films feel dynamic without being chaotic. Quiet scenes stay detailed instead of buried. Music streaming feels rich and balanced instead of thin. Even casual TV shows feel more immersive because the sound feels intentional instead of just present. A quick reminder, don't sit on this decision while waiting for some imagined better deal. Receivers with this blend of performance and features don't hang around at solid pricing forever, and if it's already on your mind, that's a sign you've been wanting more from your system for longer than you realize. You might think a slim receiver can't make that big of a difference, or that cheaper alternatives will probably do. That line of thinking is what keeps people stuck with audio that feels good enough instead of right. This isn't about spec sheets, it's about the feeling you get when sound finally feels connected, coherent, and alive. One thing that genuinely surprised me was how natural the whole experience feels. I stopped adjusting levels mid-show. I stopped explaining why something should sound better. I just watched and listened, and the system did what I wanted it to do without fuss. That kind of ease becomes part of your routine, and then you realize you don't ever want to give it up again. Owning the NR1510 gives you a quiet confidence. You don't have to lean in to catch what's said. You don't tense up during big scenes wondering if your system can handle it. You just experience it, from cinema-level dynamics to subtle musical details, without compromise. Dialogue feels anchored and clear, soundtracks have weight without boominess, scenes feel layered, and immersive music streams with richness and balance. Your enjoyment isn't interrupted by audio flaws. It isn't the tiniest box on the shelf, and it isn't the cheapest entry you'll find, but once you live with how it organizes your soundstage, how it makes every note and word matter, those concerns fade because performance feels right. At some point, comparing specs and prices stops helping and you choose what actually elevates your experience. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep postponing and later regret every time your current setup stumbles again. Check the current price and availability now, decide with confidence, and step into the kind of sound experience that doesn't just play your content, it reveals it.